guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
One, make I don't know where you want to it's oh yeah. Arakube, yeah, logo yo. Arakube, yeah, logo ine. Don't Prince with this Ishan guy. I thought now, two young guys, lazy youths. More una go find work. No, all una make day work. Una day live video. This is Shanghai. Don't please come for Benin. You come for Ishan. If you dey find land, tell Don't please say you want buy land for Benin. If the land na 2 million, Don't please go say the person want sell land for 2.5. Don't please go see CEO for inside. If you decide, say, okay, I want to buy the land, you say, make they come on money. Don't please go tell you, say, now only 100,000 and they will come out. It will come be 2.4. There is another 2.4. Don't please owe now 400,000. Then if this guy decided to buy, I dey motivate you now. I also now come craze. For now use me craze for Facebook, could I will be these two guys? I will show now my building. Not be the one where they shall land, though. I'll show now the one where they Bini. You know? Then if this guy can't decide to buy the land, Don't please now don't get 400,000. Then the seller go take the 2 million. Those are the people somebody supposed to they follow. I like guys when be say that they tell you, say, land this somewhere, are you interested? Come and buy. Those are the people we need in our community. Those are the things when youth they do for our community. Not be the one when Don't priest with this Ishan person they do so. This is Ishan guy. Me ya uro we were not vai, Ashan me doshan. Iwo uro we keep we turn the name doshan. I rizikirel competition wane doshan. Zik na rezikuwa. Oniki yogenya. Oni ziki na wa rezikuwa seme na 4 million. Na ate ziki oniki 8 million me reziko seme okay we aba. Me go oni ziki no seme bi ose I won't make it be the same. You will go remove the one where infected Zik house. You go put on. Dog na gates. Ishan guys. That there is a do competition for Uromi there. If na Ekpoma na you big guy, go Ekpoma. That they use roofie that they do competition. And all that roofie when Okwelegbe use now will use this my way I want to remove her. You see where don't need this guy na do to her. Where the tabala ni gbowa do no say where zo iwe. Ene wo de ki gbe bona gbigbo. Ene wo na ye wo na nemu obo. We so we ki o eyerewe o we ki gbe bona gbigbo. Ene ne akpo de nemu na we Facebook egeni. Na me be the person when at the talk say me una leave these people. At the day when they want beat me. Now they still come beat say they want beat me. They come to say I craze past them. We talk ba. May I use Ishan, the translator? We talk ba. Don't prison or a dotua. Ipo eri streets if you never qua a line on a kionu. Eri fabrica. Where they buy prison dotua. Where you won't know one neta. Ebe jomeda neta onya. Uwe danu we shan rehana we da rich we di poor. Who can just say, yeah, bros, thank you for the 20,000 when you give me. Thank you for the 5,000 when you give me. If okay, son, no they wait, me person give them money. No guys, nyom uromi guys, ishan guys, ekpo ma iruwa gwebe, ebele, ujogba, ewo kimi, ewo sa, different place. They on the wait. Instead of you to go find what you want to do, you want to show Facebook say you want say guy where you want say na. Well, we go san. Ne ro se hoa. Ipo elwe job wa. They were ki get elwe job wa. Whereas any contractor no set out, egbe ki law. You walk san elwe job wa. They any contractor town. Mama, how you there now? Say, I did. Say, Mama, God bless you. Your advice with the collect time woto. Okay, I just finished talking to my contractor. Okay, about the migration. Warel or they will say, and where or okay, ne obulu. Who work later advice, you know that you know how to give advice where. Your boys, where they call me. I tell them, say, do your money. Now, single mother, I say, me they don't they use their money to they feed do na gay. Say me that they use their money to they do something back home. Now, there, now some guys when they wash me. Now they come they say, Mama, I they wash your program. Oh. You they try, you they motivate. These two people now, they don't want to. Now me, I they inside the game. These two people know 6 million naira to roof house. If you want the best house, the best roofing so far. The best roofing so far, if you the true build house. From 6 million, go up. If you want the best roofing, you want to make it clean, maintain. Better come measure out through company. Carry 6 million, go up. Should the best one when people say yes. Those two people now they know see. Oh no, okay, sana. Oh, do we not vibe test san? Oh, ba me be. Yenya we do afun we ko ogodo. Ogodo we da fun. Onu ne re khoa. O we da fun. Onu ne re khoa. Oh ha to me an bo na ma no ta. Ma no ke oh ha to me an. Meta man, this guy onuro mi guy ma. We da it don priest. Don priest ni bi o e khon, bi o de net do vai, on e khon. Your people, they fighting your people. Don't please they fight in your people. And they look all of them. If they fight in your people. Don't please no sabon ni your home. Well working that carry. And then we don't know you working over about vai. Don't even do video. Okay, you don't use to do live video. Don't please they beat his brothers. They fight his sister. Because they don't tell when they fight Lolo. It don't tell when they fight Lolo. Now only one be beneath man. When Lolo with Monica, when their problem come from Facebook. The beneath people when they top with the men. How many men even top with na carry on? Now only once that one say, Mona settle na say Mona enter house. They enter house. Don't priest. He no agree. Only when they don't want to resist, you know. This guy not resist. Since he yes say Lolo na ishan. Na they beat Lolo. Resist when they do to one when no do to na esu. Or when they do to esu or when they do to. Yes. Be careful. Ono gbe eju when na vai or we ki don the doctor when Eliye san dig bear when this guy na Eliye san odi tonu we nya no se uru no se Eliye san ki tonu ki kwon. We be Lolo akomie won nya when this boy we be Lolo akomie won nya wa khon wa re teme. But already don't this guy na doctor. Let me tell you this Ishan guy. Where all the Lolo don't say some mind. Where to boy only video. Where Lolo don't say some mind. But bo where say my Lolo. Lolo, if Lolo want to reply you, Lolo will reply you. The same English when you take the talk to Lolo. Lolo cannot reply you with Isha. The time when me with Lolo they fight that I sama kore ne gbe khon e san make Lolo gbo mo san fia. I will come they laugh. Wish my old people. I know they fight my old people. Like now only the day now wish now they fight. Only the day now wish. I not be my people. The day now wish is from Igbanke. I be one I put a picture for me. I have the picture Jonah. Since you carry the day now wish, I know say you need the day now wish. No worry. The day now wish is here. The day now wish is even now. Bring each and person when I don't fight. Pass it the day now wish. You don't ever see say I fight each and person. I don't be this your evil do. I don't be you want. Wait till they call you. Now your evil do Azara. Don't be this one you. I don't say you like this picture. Don't come to my this thing. I don't get time for now. Me with Lola, we fight for this Facebook. We fight. Una know now. The day when you with your friend can't quarrel. He can't say everybody when I offend. Make una no quarrel again. I be more than forgive her. Now that day, now I say me with her. You know they fight again. Or to the day when you can see come out, I know I don't want to talk about him for year again. Then this boy, when they call her Don Prince, you don't fight Lolo, fight. You see, say you don't feel fight, and you go carry this Ishan guy come, make him join you fight Lolo. You know other Igbo people say mommy, other woman. You know go walk because this one when you do so Ishan guy go still come up now. Attack this guy because my shake belan fear. We know they say ourselves. You see this done, since when Monica with Lolo get problem, it always they attack Lolo. Everybody do Facebook. Even when Lolo apologize to everybody, when Lolo come back to Saga again, when this the day now wish draw Lolo come back to Saga again, I was the one that is fighting Lolo. Say Lolo, enter house, leave it. This the day now wish. This the day now wish no real. Lolo no could understand though later. Now Lolo come to say the day now wish no real. That Lolo carry and put for inside garbage bag. You go put am for inside bucket. The day when truck when they carry the thing they come, you put am for inside the truck. Truck carry and go through where the day now wish. Can't reach today. You don't want to dirty for Facebook. Mommy, let me lock down window. I don't know. The window is open down. Well, go vai. I did get blocked here. Well, you when they say Lolo no be shan. That I see your comment. You say you be fine boy, you dey chop women money. You not a shame. You dey now so you talk. Who wrote me grace? And now so you talk. You say you dey fine boy because I talk say make women not they give una money. It is not to pay you today when I do a Basel video. Now you come. You can say you be fine boy without no money. Is it not a disgrace? Go and make money, guy. Go and make money. If you don't make money, don't talk. Stop fish, you don't boop your way bo. I don't get time for you. Any of your comment, I'll delete and I don't need your comment in my platform. But you say Romi Grace, Mereyo Genya, Amonu Romi Bia, where he may Genya, where your Monu Romi Bia. Oh, is everything the Isha girl? Let me go pay a visit. I don't know the Isha. I bet no Sagara. Me, I just want talk to her. Leave her, just leave her. Because uru no reze sani, all la ni me gon na ro to maki reaction do maki re nola. Let me go straight to Lolo Naisha. Leave that thing. Then don't please. What do you do? Since when Lolo with Monica fight, everybody come. Even when they draw Monica that time, me personal, when they say me go bring DNA test, now me come and say, I want carry Ishan, Pikin, now Bini man, I can't get the Pikin. You not talk for that matter, don't please, you not talk one day. You not talk, I be for your mind, now get that boy. And I saw not talk, now since now get that, I'm gonna carry the boy. They don't carry this speaking. No. They don't carry this speaking. They don't carry a go. Many people who could live, who could release our baby. Oh, we could release our boy. Our picky be down. We could not carry the picky. Oh, no, please. We could carry the picky. Oh, we could leave the picky for us because it doesn't say J buena, fine buena, una come say na one career. Una don't born pikin wey fine reach like that. Una say na J buena, una come be na pikin, abeg mo go barrister, they go barrister, regardez. Una go meet me for barrister. No, bye bye.